Greetings, my most esteemed viewers. It is I, Brian Alexander Lotus, CEO of Intelligent Corporate Systems, Incorporated, and author of the book, Intelligent Corporate Systems. I would like to announce officially the release of my book, Intelligent Corporate Systems, and I hope you all will purchase a copy and read it. It's a very important piece of work that is a critical analysis of capitalism. I get into a whole bunch of very important topics about how the capitalist system of economics and government keeps us in a state of subjugation. And I talk about in the book all types of different ways and areas in which we are affected by our system of economics. I also discuss an alternative model based on utilitarianism and ethical conduct. And one of the things in the book I talk about is how I went undercover at Walgreens and exposed them for violating my civil rights, the Americans with Disabilities Act. And I talk about the unfair, harsh working conditions for crap pay. And, well, I think you just have to get a copy of the book and check it out. You can buy it on Amazon.com. Just type in Intelligent Corporate Systems. And it'll come up, or you could buy it from directly from my website, intelligentcorporatesystems.com. But in any event, I encourage you to check out the website. There's a lot of stuff on there, including the Orion Lotus Concepts, which is a division of Intelligent Corporate Systems, and on that website I have my visual art, including my graphical designs and original oil paintings. So I hope you all check it out and keep tuning in to Intelligent Corporate Systems. Thank you. Bye.